Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable auto backup function on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the general section you can find the backup and the restore, the second button, and you can find the auto backup function, the first. And if you want to the white circle icon, and if it click to the configure button, you can enable this function and you can turn on the auto backup function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.